Hi, it's Professor Jerimiah with Odyssey Martial Arts. I'm here with Coach Krystal and Xavier, and we're going to demonstrate another headlock escape. So I gave us the dead angle or pendulum headlock escape, and now I'm going to give us another one. So I'm going to use Coach Xavier because he's a big guy, and this is the type of person, man, that's going to just like hold onto your head and almost squeeze and pop it off. So a couple big things. I don't want to be flat. If I'm flat, I have to bridge and then get onto my side, pulling my elbow down. I'm gonna frame onto his face so I get the blade of my wrist underneath his chin. And as I'm scooting away, trying to do that pendulum escape, he chases me with his hips. I bridge away, or hip escape, trying to move away, and he gets his hips closer. So from here, I'm gonna look to throw my leg over his leg, trapping him. And I'm gonna throw my arm up and over. Theoretically, I could knock him over and get on top. However, a big, strong person, they push back into you. And as he pushes back into me, I'm pulling with my left hand. As we start to rotate, I bring my leg out. And as you can see, if they're still here on my head, he's holding this headlock. I need to make sure if he tries to roll me, I post with my hands so that he can't roll me. I'm gonna frame onto his face again, and I push with both of my arms, breaking this grip. And then I pinch my left ear towards my shoulder. I step over the body. As I start to come forward, like I'm gonna hug and trap the arm. For the kids, I just have them do this 3/4 mount. I don't go all the way to the S. We'll do another video on that later, because it's a little bit nicer. The lean is not quite as terrible. So this 3/4 mount, I'm sitting on his hip, leaning to the side, which allows me to easily bring my leg up and over his face. From here, I'm trapping the arm. I'm gonna sit back. As I sit back, I pinch my knees. I straighten the leg that's on his head. Then point it towards the ceiling. Slowly bridge, and I go from being in the headlock to hitting an armbar from the 3/4 mount. Hopefully you guys picked up some details. Thank you to Coaches Xavier and Krystal.